Forget Microsoft completely because this Chinese Windows has arrived to revolutionize operating systems with no bloatware, no secure boot, and running on only 1.5 gigabytes of RAM. It's insane. In this video, I'll show you how to install it. We'll go through everything it brings and see if it lives up to the main systems on the market. First, we need to download the ISO image from the official Deepin website, whose link will be in the pinned comment. We'll have to download Deepin 25.1, which is the most up-to-date version. First, it will give us options to enter a live environment or test mode to see what the system includes before installing it on our hard drive. And this would be the interface of the live or test version. On startup, this tutorial window appears in case we want to see what it offers, but we're going to explore it ourselves. We have several shortcuts in the taskbar and a desktop shortcut to install Deepin 25.1 directly on our hard drive, which we will see later. In the upper left corner, we have a shortcut, apparently to an AI assistant, that reminds us of Windows 11 Copilot. It tells us to try the test version since we are currently in a live interface. Then we have a search menu in case we want to look for something. We also have a start menu, which we will analyze in detail after installing Deepin 25.1 on our hard drive. This is only the live test version. Next, we have the File Explorer. Notice how the windows have a rounded design, very clean and elegant. The File Explorer is very similar to Windows 11, but we will go deeper into it once we install Deepin 25.1 on our hard drive. This is only the live test version. Next, we have the Application Store, which is like a Microsoft Store, but much cleaner and more elegant. It's divided into recommended apps, open source apps, Linux apps, which I'm not sure what that refers to, feel free to tell me in the comments, apps by category, updates in case you want to update installed apps, and a section to manage applications, similar to the Windows control panel for uninstalling programs. Next, we have the web browser, very simple, similar to Microsoft Edge. We open a page, for example, YouTube, and as you can see, browsing is very fast on Deepin 25.1. We also have a shortcut to the Mail application, then a shortcut to the system terminal, very similar to CMD or Windows command prompt. After that, we have a calendar, very nice and functional. Then a music player, also very well designed. Next, we have a text processor. In Windows terms, it would be similar to Notepad or something like that. Finally, we have the Settings section, which we will explore later once Deepin 25.1 is installed on the hard drive. So how do we install it? Simply double-click the shortcut located in the upper left area. Now we follow the step-by-step process I'm going to explain. First, the language appears. In my case, I choose English because I don't know Chinese. Then it asks whether we want to install Deepin 25.1 on the entire disk, a custom installation, or advanced options. It shows disk partitions and how they'll be configured, along with installation type options. Once everything is selected, we click Next, and we get a summary of all the steps it will perform during installation. Then we click the blue button to start installation. The installation begins and will take a few minutes, so patience is required. If you're enjoying the video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more optimized and modified systems that we'll be uploading to the channel. A window appears confirming that Deepin 25.1 has been installed on our hard drive, and we click Restart. Now it asks for a username and password, and it specifies that the password must be strong, using uppercase letters, special characters, etc. When finished, we click Next. Then it reminds us again about language and time zone. The system configuration begins, which also takes a few minutes, so patience is needed. When it finishes, the screen will go black, and it will directly prompt us to enter the password to log in to Deepin 25.1. And now we're inside Deepin 25.1, fully installed on our hard drive. We now have access to My Computer, which, like Windows, takes us to the File Explorer, where we can see our hard drives and folders. Below, we have the Recycle Bin icon, a documentation shortcut that can be viewed online, and another shortcut called Deepin Home. In the taskbar, we saw the Start button, which contains all the applications we already reviewed: Browser, App Store, File Explorer, Mail, Screenshot Tool, Calculator,
calendar, image viewer, video player, photo albums, and system monitor, which is similar to Task Manager. Here we can see CPU usage at around 4.4% and RAM usage at only 1.5 gigabytes. It's insane performance because there is no bloatware or background processes, giving a clean and fluid experience. We also have LibreOffice Base for databases, LibreOffice Writer similar to Microsoft Word, and LibreOffice Calc similar to Microsoft Excel, all working without issues. There is also a drawing app similar to Paint, a PDF viewer like Adobe Acrobat, a webcam camera app, a Sudoku game, a file compressor similar to WinRAR, and a backup and restore tool for cloning or restoring the system. Now we go into System Settings to review everything. In the System section, we find Display Settings, Sound Settings, Notifications, Date and Time, Default Apps, Language and Region, Developer Options, Backup and Restore Options, and System Information. Moving through the left menu, we also find Network and Internet Settings, Personalization, where we can change themes and wallpapers, device and Bluetooth connections, power options like high performance and battery saver, user information, Deepin ID for cloud sync, and system updates similar to Windows Update. And that would be the full Deepin OS 25.1 system, an excellent operating system, without bloatware or junk apps, with incredible performance and ready to challenge any Windows system from Microsoft. The question is, would you install Deepin 25.1 on your personal PC? Let me know in the comments. And if you want more videos about modified operating systems, check the next video that appears on your screen right now.